In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a pending deposit in Bank of America. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm that a recent deposit is in motion, what the different labels mean, and how long you may need to wait before the funds fully post. Start by signing in to the Bank of America mobile app or the official website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site or the official app from your app store and use a secure connection. This protects your account while you check your deposit status. Once you're in, you're ready to locate the account tied to the deposit you made. Next, choose the specific account where the deposit was made. If you have multiple accounts, pick the checking or savings account you used when you deposited the funds. Keeping track of where you initiated the deposit will save time and help you avoid jumping between accounts unnecessarily. Your account's balance and recent activity will appear after you select it. From there, open the section that shows your recent activity. This may be labeled Transaction History or Account Activity. On the app, it often appears right on the account screen. On the website, you may see a tab or link for activity or transactions. This is the central place where all recent movements, deposits, withdrawals, card charges, and transfers are listed in chronological order. Within that list, look for items marked pending, processing, or held. Your deposit should appear in this area before it officially posts. Pending typically means the bank has received the deposit details and is verifying them. Processing indicates it's moving through internal checks. Held often signals that the funds are temporarily restricted, which can happen for larger check deposits or when additional verification is needed. You might also notice a difference between your posted balance and your available balance. Pending deposits usually won't increase the posted balance until they clear, and the available balance may update only after some or all of the funds are released. Keep in mind that pending deposits typically take 1 to 3 business days to post, depending on the deposit type, check, ACH, or mobile deposit. Business days exclude weekends and federal holidays, and cutoff times can affect when the clock starts. For example, a check deposited after the daily cutoff may begin processing on the next business day. If a hold is placed, a portion of the funds could become available before the rest. That's it. Sign in, pick the right account, open your activity, and look for the pending or held deposit line. Check back periodically, and you'll see it move from pending to posted once it clears. Thanks for watching.